Hey guys, it's Larry, and I know it's been quite a while, but Happy New Year. I have a really fun unboxing for you today. So let's take a look at one of the presents that I bought myself for Christmas, and it is the Happy Planner Be Happy box by Teresa Collins. And I just printed this out from the website so I could see the pricing and whatnot. The Mombi, or original Happy Planner version is $49.99. And I actually found this on joanns.com, and it was on sale in December for $37.49, which encouraged me to buy it. Plus I had a coupon, so I don't actually even know what the final price was because I had a huge order. I should have done an unboxing for all of it, but quite frankly everything else came well over a week ago, and this one just came today, so I'm finally getting it here. Not sure what the delay was, but I had a giant Joann box. This box was inside of it, and I did open it already, but here's the strange thing. I didn't go through it yet. I just cut the tape open, and I looked, and it's already been opened. Look at my tissue paper's torn. It's folded in the wrong direction. Here's the original sealing sticker. Look at that. Somebody has already opened my box. So I'm going to unbox it in just a sec, but let me share with you really quick what is in the box. So it comes with a classic guided journal. So that's a Happy Planner classic size guided journal. This is all Teresa Collins artwork and design. 20 sheets of classic note paper, 3 cling stickers, 3 rolls of washi tape, 1 pouch, 1 coffee mug, 1 paper pad, puffy stickers, sticker book, and a punched envelope. So let's get to the unboxing if you want to see the good stuff and see if anything's missing or broken. What is up with this? Alright guys, let's get to unboxing. Okay, so as we open, and I showed you, this is just so strange. I don't know how or why somebody would have already opened my box, but there it is, already open. Somebody's already peeled the paper away and the sticker. So let's see if everything is here. Hope nothing's missing or broken. Here is the welcome card, the Happy Planner and Teresa Collins. I love, and I don't know if you're familiar with Teresa Collins, you probably are, of course, but she has some beautiful artwork. I just love it. Her favorite colors are the gold, black, and the pink. Those are kind of her signature colors. So let's get to opening. Oh, those are super cute. You know what? I've never had any puffy stickers before. And if there's not a glare, yeah, it's a little bit of a glare. Those are really cute. Again, her signature colors are just so cool. These are really cool puffy stickers. I actually think I like them. I've never tried them before. So those are fun. We have our little pouch with the Happy Planner on it. Make your dreams happen. Cute, nice size. I don't know about you, but I use these a lot for pens and also, for planning and whatnot, but also just for around my office. I use it for cables, for all my different things, like phone cables, iPad cables, chargers, all that kind of stuff. And I use it to organize those. So that's cute, and it's actually really nice quality. I hand make a lot of these myself. This is really nice quality. I like stuff like that. Okay, a little envelope. What do you call this? Like vinyl plastic envelope. And it's punched to go in your planner. Super cute. Receipt holder, sticker holder, whatever. Very cute. Some washi. Those are really pretty. Let's see what we got. You see those? So they say, be brave, be bold, be you, is the pink one. That one's got some, the middle one has some gold foil in it. And the black one says, I am enough. Super cute. Very thin, I like that. What else do we have? So these are the stickers. This is the sticker book. Oh, wow. I didn't even realize she had her own sticker book, you guys. This is so cool. And I do just adore this. Her signature colors are so soothing. They're sharp. They're cute. They're kind of classy. Oh, look at those. These are all clear. Clear stickers. Happy mind, happy life. And she's got really good, positive, inspirational messages in all of her artwork, so I really appreciate her. These are adorable. Dream bigger, sparkle brighter, live bolder. I hope you can see these. More clear. I love clear stickers. Stop wishing, start doing. These are beautiful. Oh, this is like one of my favorite books. I am going to have a ball with these. Very, very cool. I'm so happy with that. What else? Get it done. So, oh, this is just a notepad. It's not punched. It's just a notepad. I think it said it was 52 sheets, goals, things to do, notes, days of the week. Use it for meal planning, your to-do list, anything. Very, very cool. And I love the gold foil. What else did we get? What is this called? This is 20 sheets of classic note paper. Very pretty. These are punched. You can go right in your planner. Probably don't even need to open these, but let's just see. Okay, so this is the timed version if you want to use date stamps or time stamps for your calendar. Those are really cool, very pretty. Okay, like those. Those will be very useful. Here is our, what's it called, journal or guided journal, you guys. This is what I was really looking forward to. Oh, okay, we've got our first casualty. Hold on. See if we can save it. These stickers are, the stickers are stuck. There we go. Those are cute. These are all clear stickers. I am enough. Be you, not them. Don't just wake up and think about the woman you want to become. Wake up and be her. Those are beautiful, guys. I like that. These would be cool to put like on your Cricut or on your laptop. I like how big it is. Maybe I'll put that on my laptop. Those are beautiful. Okay, back to the journal. Let me get this box out of the way. Okay, here is the journal. Definitely needs to be cleaned up. We got stay focused and extra sparkly. Oops, I'm gonna cut it open. So it doesn't look like anyone actually went through the box or took anything out. I don't know why it was opened and my tissue paper ripped. So let me get in camera here. This is really, really pretty. And if you haven't seen it, let's do a flip through together. Radiate positivity. So for the week of goals for this week, one area I would like to thrive in, little things that bring me joy, simple ways I can be kind to others, intentions for this week. Whatever you think, whatever you're thinking, think bigger. So this is really cool. This is very similar to another guided journal I just started this year. I obviously didn't know I was going to buy this box. So I have another journal I just started. Well, I started it in early December. And it's very similar, just different colors. What empowered me today, one thing I'm feeling positive about, today's highlights, today's silver lining, how it could be improved. See how positive it is? Silver lining instead of like what went bad. In fact, let me compare that to the other one. So here is the one that I started using. Oh, I started this in September. Wow, I've been doing this for a while already. So here's a little bit of a comparison. In this one, I have today's highlight, what made me happy, today's low moment, what I can improve. And Teresa's version is today's highlight, what made me smile, today's silver lining instead of low moment, how it could be improved. I just love her language, again, is so positive and so motivating, I guess. So typically the way these work is you'll have like a week, the week of, and then you have daily. And then you have another never, never, never give up. And then another week. And it just repeats. Life is tough, but so are you. That is so sweet. Look at these. So again, it's just going to repeat. And it's just a motivational journal. And they call it a guided journal because obviously there's all these nice prompts for you. The secret to having it all is knowing you already do. Okay, I was wrong. There's actually just one more thing in the box. So here is the last item in our box, a little bit beat up. And I will say, ordering through Joann's, like I said, it was a little disappointing. Everything seemed to take quite a while. And my order did come in 2 separate shipments. So this one, it just felt like it was forever. I think it was like 3 weeks to get here. But I love this mug. This is a reminder you can handle whatever this week throws at you. Oh, you guys, I am a coffee mug collector, and I absolutely love that. On both sides, so if you're a lefty, you get to see your message too, and I love that the color inside is different. Again, her signature colors. It says they have a planner on the bottom. Do not microwave. This is so cute. So that's it. That is my whole box. I will say for $49.99, I think it's worth it if you have the money to invest. I think the value is definitely there. For $37.49, I was definitely more apt to buy, which I obviously did, and especially because I had a Joann coupon. So I would really love someday to subscribe to her month. It's not monthly. I would love to subscribe to her kits. I think they're like every other month. Personally, it's not really in my budget right now, but I would love to get that. It's always different. Sometimes she has jewelry in them. She's created a line of bracelets. She's got amazing stuff, but this was my first purchase, and I'm really glad I did it. It's one of those things where you gotta kind of like budget for, right? So personally right now I'm spending my money on other stuff, and I create so much of my own planner stuff that it's hard to invest that much money on a regular basis. But this was a really good purchase. I'm really glad I did it. Check out Joann's to see if they still have any. I know they're still available on the Mombi site for $49.99, but perhaps you can find a coupon. Lots of times they'll email you coupons if you're on the Happy Planner mailing list. So keep your eyes open and check out Joann's and use a coupon if you can. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. I definitely love her products. It was well worth the wait, and thanks for joining me in this unboxing. I think it was kind of fun. I can't wait to use my stuff. So thanks, guys. I will see you around soon. I hope you have a beautiful day. Remember, always be thankful, always be kind, keep living light, and Happy New Year. See you soon.